Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2009 Mazda 6, stock number 6350. This ran from the 2nd 2008 to the 11th 2012. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, front bonnet, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 2 dents in the corner and a scratch, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory 6-stick stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,